Welcome back. As you begin to add and work with a specific set of content inside of Audacity, you're going to want to save your progress. In order to do that, you're going to go to this file area and you're going to save this as a project. You'll notice here that your project has a default name. Now what you can do is you can name it what you want it to be. Audacity will give you a warning that you are not recreating an audio file at this time. You're just creating a project where your Audacity work is going to be saved. You're going to notice here that you're saving as an AUP project file, and you'll see that here. What we're going to do here is we're going to save it. If we want to write in a new name for our project file, we can do it. We're now going to click Save, and you'll notice your files inside of the directory that you set up. So for example, if you were to import another music file into this area, you then have a third element as part of a new project. So what you could do is you could go to this file area, you could save this as an entirely new project. So you're going to click Save Project As. And so basically, as you continue to make changes, you're going to create a new file and you're going to save it. Or you can just continue to mark your progress within one specific project file. Now, assuming that you close this project file, you'll notice here that Audacity remains open, but the project file that you had is no longer there. You can go to this file area. What you can do is you can open it using this open command, or you can use this Recent Files tab in order to open the file that you just recently saved. And when you open the file, you'll see the elements that you were working with before you saved it. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.